how our thoughts affect our health and well-being. Quantum physicists, biologists, and doctors are now beginning to highlight the impact of our thoughts and emotions on our physical health and well-being. Research from the HeartMath Institute found that when experiencing feelings of love, joy, and gratitude, ill patients had a measurable improvement on their health, and their immune system was found to have 300,000 times the amount of resistance. Doctors estimate that many of the diseases we experience today originate from stress. Stress starts from our thought processes and, if left unresolved, negatively affects our body. So how do our thoughts actually influence our physical body? Everything in the universe begins with a thought. Thoughts are the root of all creation. Every thought we have generates an emotion we feel. These emotion influences our energy system, such as the auras or our chakras. Our auras or chakras are directly correlated with the endocrine glands of the body, responsible for releasing and regulating the hormones in our body. As a result, through the chain linking our thoughts, emotions, energy, and physical body, our thoughts actually affect our physical body. When we feel happy, we feel healthier and energetic, and our body releases happy hormones such as serotonin, endorphins, and oxytocin. When we feel anxious or worried, our body generates toxins which lower our immunity and start to cause health issues. Holistic health practitioners at Illuminations will adopt the mind-body connection approach to help our clients heal their body by healing their thoughts. Book your free consultation with us at Illuminations today.